Hello and welcome back to all my crypto maniacs out there. Today we're going to be doing some technical analysis on Bitcoin and we're going to check out Ethereum. If you want me to do any other technical analysis on any other coins, please leave it down in the comments below. I'll check it out and do my technical analysis on those coins in the next video. For now, let's jump into Bitcoin, but first I do have to put out a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor and anything I do and say in these videos is for entertainment purposes only. So please be smart and do your own research before you put any of your hard-earned money into these volatile markets. Now let's jump into Bitcoin. Okay, so first we're going to be looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hourly chart. And as we can see, we did find some support on the daily right here, daily support. And right now we are having this bounce to the upside. We also retested this bottom support, diagonal support of this symmetrical triangle, or yeah, it was some kind of symmetrical triangle. And we are having some rebounds off of there. Now let's see what our next level should be. We're gonna place a Fibonacci extension line from the top here to the bottom. And we can see that we are finding some resistance at this 0.5 Fibonacci line around $37,160. So I would expect Bitcoin to go just a little bit down. Let's jump into 1-hour frame so we can see a bit more clear. I would expect a retracement back to this 0.382 Fibonacci line at around $36,250, maybe a bit higher. And if we do get a retest of support here, which was our previous resistance, it would be great to see a bounce off of this line and then all the way up towards our next resistance. If we do measure this move, however, from the bottom here to the top, if this move is completed, if we are going to have a retracement, let me just remove this for real quick so you can see a bit clearer. And if we do have a nice retracement down to 0.382, which is around $36,100, this could be this, what's happening? Oh right, I have a wrong line. Okay, so if we do go back down and retest this 0.382 level as a support, I would expect a nice bounce off of this support, which would make us AB equals CD pattern, and our price target would be right around $39,200, which is our resistance of this symmetrical triangle. So everything does look good. I am gonna enter a small position in case we do have a retest here, because this is still a nice 8% pump, and if you're trading that on leverage, this would be around over 80% trade if you are trading on leverage. However, leverage trading is for experienced traders only, but if you do want to trade on leverage, you can join the Phemex in the link down below, and they right now have Phemex deposit dazzle. It's a trading bonus which you can use to trade with and not risk any of your capital. So you can get up to $2,000 in trading bonus with your initial deposit, of course, plus you can get another $100 without this bonus, so it's a $2,100 bonus if you want to trade on leverage. You can also join Bybit in the link down below. I believe they have $1,650 bonus, so if you want, join that and you can make a trade there without risking any of your funds. Now if you do get this bounce from 0.382 level, which is also our horizontal support here, and reach this level, I would expect some significant resistance here, because if we look back at this Fibonacci line from the top here to the bottom here, we also have a 0.618 Fibonacci line here at $30,000, and then 0.786 Fibonacci line exactly at our diagonal resistance of this symmetrical triangle. So I would expect some resistance there, and if we manage to break this resistance, we could trade this pattern to the upside. However, I would be waiting for confirmation here, a breakout, then confirmation, and then to the upside, and if we measure this move to the upside, let's say we go up, we retest this as support and we break out here, then our price target would be somewhere around $51,700. However, if we do see a bounce off of this resistance and down to this support, it is we would have a great chance of breaking to the downside, and if we measure this move, our price target would be around $23,000. So be careful trading this pattern, because usually we're not supposed to trade within the pattern. So I am going to try to make a small trade here, and after that I'm going to wait for confirmation of breaking this resistance. I'm not just going to go into the breakout trade. I'm going to wait for the confirmation, and then I'm going to jump into the trade if we break to the upside. This is going to be it for Bitcoin right now. There's not much to tell. We can check the exponential moving average ribbons as well, and as we can see on the 4-hourly, we do have some resistance here, so it would be great if we have a nice retracement back and then bounce to the upside. This would give us a power to break these resistances, maybe go all the way up to this resistance here, be rejected there, and then retest these exponential moving average ribbons as support. This would be incredible for our breakout of this symmetrical triangle pattern. Now let's jump to Ethereum as well. As we can see, Ethereum is doing pretty much the same. We do have this sort of W pattern here. So if we draw a line somewhat like this, let me just make this a bit clearer. Here we go. We do have some sorts of a W here. Let's check Fibonacci ribbons as well from here down to here, and we can see that yeah, if we break this to the upside, we are right now finding some resistance at 0.5 Fibonacci line. If you break to the upside, we also have 0.618 at $2,640, 0.786 at $2,764. However, if we break our top at around 2,922, I would expect a nice bounce at least to $3,378, which is our 1.618 extension line. If we make a measure move off of this whole W here, the price target would actually be right here. Our price target would actually be around $4,000, $4,050, which also corresponds with our 2.618 Fibonacci extension line. So this could be potentially a 16% trade if we go all the way up to this 1.618 Fibonacci extension line, and if we go all the way up to 2.618, this would be a 41% move, or if we go to our targets, would be around 40% move. And if you are trading on 10x leverage, this would be almost a 400% move to the upside. But again, leverage trading is for experienced traders only. But if you do want to trade, and if you do feel like you're an experienced trader, you can join down the link below. You get lower fees, you get sign-up bonuses, and you can trade with that sign-up bonus without risking any of your capital. This is gonna be it for today. I am gonna do another video in the next day or two after we see how these scenarios plays out. If we do have a rejection here, or if we're gonna break out, I'm gonna make a video on that and tell you what's the next move for us. If you do like my videos, please destroy the like button, click subscribe and notification button to be notified as soon as I post my next video. Until next time, see you guys later.